Hi everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb, and today I am excited to get started with sowing the seeds directly outside as well as setting up the supports. You wait all winter, and now you can finally do something about it. So today is that day. For the next 2 weeks it looks like we're going to be frost free, so it does not mean that we're in the clear, but it at least means that we can get started on some of the stuff out here. I've been waiting because we had some last minute dips below that I didn't want to harm anything. We'll start by setting up supports for the sugar snap peas as well as the string beans and the other peas. Then we're also going to plant some potatoes. That's what it's starting to get fun. I've got some earlies and some, I think they're second earlies or main crops. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll check. Those are going to go in the ground, and then we get to have seeds. It's seed time. That's what I really love. It's officially a time of year to get started and we can start seeing things go. I put in the onions not that long ago. I forgot to hit record for about half of that, but we'll see how that goes. I'm recording an intro today because I don't know how much energy I'm going to have later to be all chipper at the end, but I wanted to have it at least at one side because I am really genuinely excited. And now it's time to get going. Tomorrow I have to work all day, and that's why I think let's carpe the diem and get started. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy watching me get this work done.